Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello, my name is Tladi. I'm from a company called Rokotla Trading and Projects. We are currently in Temba Hammanskraal, and the company we started in 2012. I started the business, actually the business came to me. I did not start the business looking for or trying to be a beekeeper. So a friend of mine or somebody I grew up with one day just came to me and then we started talking and he told me about beekeeping. So I found interest in it and I did not do it immediately. So I think 4 years down the line, that's when my interest started again. Then I went into beekeeping full time. The offer is we are beekeepers, we are certified beekeepers. What we do is we keep bees. So from our bees, we harvest honey, we harvest pollen, we harvest propolis. There's also royal jelly that we harvest. We also have wax. So from one box, we have about five commodities. What we also do, we also sell beekeeping equipment. That is your hives, that is your PPE, and all the other stuff that is bee related. And then in our services, what we render services in pollination. So we go around looking for farmers who are planting. Let's say it's time for sunflower, then we go to them. We offer pollination services. So what they do is they will buy, or no, not buy, they will ask for a few boxes, a few of our hives, then we put them on their farm. So it will help them with pollination in their farm. What you also do is bee removal services. You find that sometimes bees are moving from one place to another. And then when they stop people because they are afraid of bees, then they will call us, we'll come and remove the bees safely. So what we do is we keep the bees, then we produce bees byproducts. Okay. Our product is the best because we're producing raw honey. Our honey is unfiltered, and our honey it's as raw as it is. We take it from the hive straight into the bottle. So we are trying to bring this product to the people for its medicinal properties. People can get hold of us on our cell phone. Our cell phone number is 082 661 8000 and 072 5494 130. We are also available on Facebook as Tladi. Also available on Instagram as Rokotla _raw_honey. Hi, my name is Roman and I'm a township entrepreneur.